Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need two things now: the Chrome profile that held the searches and sync enabled. Sign into that Google account, then make sure Chrome Sync includes history. Once done, open Chrome, //history or press Ctrl+H to load locally stored entries. If you see nothing immediately, check the profile menu at the top right and switch to the correct user. While you're here, do not clear anything yet. You want to preserve existing cache and signed-in tokens for deeper recovery steps. Now dig into local files and backups. Close Chrome to avoid file locks, then browse to the user data folder and locate the history and history journal files for the profile. If you have a backup or system restore point, copy those files into the profile folder and reopen Chrome to read them. Alternatively, use Google My Activity while signed in to retrieve sync searches. Make sure to back up current files before overriding, because you might need to revert if something looks wrong. Finish by reopening Chrome and allowing time for sync to reconcile cloud and local history. If files were deleted, use reputable file recovery software to scan the profile folder. Run the recovery before writing new data. Once recovered, sign into Chrome and confirm searches appear. If results still fail, check Google My Activity directly and any device backups or system restore snapshots. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery tools find fragmented files, stop using the disk and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.